In this video, I'll show you how to link your cursor across multiple charts in ThinkorSwim. So this is super useful when you want to view the same price point on a different charts simultaneously. So first, go ahead and open your ThinkorSwim platform and log in with your credential and open up a multiple charts. So you can do this by clicking on the plus button sign. So before that, click this charts. And as you can see, this is the chart. So click any stocks in here from the watch list, and as you can see, it shows up. So basically you can add a chart. You can have a multiple charts in here. So now in terms of enabling the linking, we'll link those charts. At the top left of each chart window, you'll see a small colored box in there, and then this is the linking button. Click on it and choose a color. So you can pick any color, but just make sure it's the same for the charts you want to link together. And then now that you've selected a color for each chart, click on the same color link on the other charts you want to link, and then this will synchronize the price movements on the cursor positions across all of them. Now when you move the cursor on one chart, it will automatically move to the same point on the other charts you've linked. This is a great for comparing different time frames or asset pairs without manually syncing them. So you can link as many charts as you want using different colors for various scripts. So if you want to link in a few charts together for one strategy and other for another, it's super easy. And that's how you link the cursor on your charts in ThinkorSwim. So this feature will help you stay organized and makes comparing assets more quicker. And that's it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.